Namaste everyone and welcome to this video. Here Mahendra is teaching us about the magnetic effect of electric current and how induction motor works and the formation of coil by copper wire. This is such an amazing experience to go there and understand the actual process. In the books we can only study it and understand, but in practicality it is very different than how they forms. And this is only because of Mahendra sir. So I would heartily thanks to Mahendra sir as always for their unique methods of teaching us and all the factory management members who told us about the whole process of formation.